Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to sell Bitcoin on the Stash app in a clear and simple way. To sell Bitcoin on Stash, first open the Stash app and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, tap on the Invest tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Invest section, find and select your Bitcoin investment. After selecting Bitcoin, look for the Sell button and tap on it. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can either enter the amount in Bitcoin or the equivalent dollar amount. Once you've entered the amount, review the details carefully, including any fees and the current price. Next, confirm the sale by tapping the Sell or Confirm button. The app will process your sale, and the funds from the sale will be added to your Stash account balance. You can use these funds for other investments, or transfer them to your linked bank account. Keep in mind that selling cryptocurrency can have tax implications, so it's a good idea to keep records of your transactions. If you have any questions or issues while selling Bitcoin on Stash, you can contact Stash support for assistance. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.